Yeah, hello guys. Hello to all. So, so happy Ram Navami. Navami. Yeah, and also I would like to say that welcome to my channel. And you all know what is the name of my channel, Vivek Pandey. Yes. So guys, last class we have seen. I'm welcome. I'm making this video for this is direct interaction to all my viewers, whoever have already subscribed my channel. For them, it is okay. So now this video, I guess this is for the playlist, problem solving playlist, problem solving. Okay, this is one of the playlist. Yes. So thank you for your support. I have seen like you're liking my video and you're subscribing my channel. That's good to see. Yeah. So now let's come to the main point here. Today we are going to discuss about second question. So the second question, I guess you got an idea by seeing the thumbnail. So second question we are going to solve. But let's understand what is the second question. Write a program to check if a given number is happy number or not. Okay. So this is the problem statement. We need to write a program to check. We are going to check whether a given number is happy number or not. Now the question is, what is happy number? Happy number. Yes, what is happy number? Yes, I know you may get you may having a doubt like what is a happy number. So there is nothing like happy number or anything, but it again depends on the logic. It depends on the formula, or we can say that what exactly the meaning of the happy number in this term. Yes, now let's understand with one example. I will give you an example so that again we can define it with the first I'm going to give you the example. I'm giving the example. Let's see. Now 1 is a happy number, 7 is a happy number, now 10 is a happy number, now again 13 is a happy number, now 19 is a happy number, now 23 is a happy number, and 97 is a happy number. Now I'm keep on saying all these are happy numbers. But on what basis I'm saying this is a sequence of a happy number? But we need to understand exactly what is the meaning of this. So let's understand the meaning here. For example, here I'm taking 13 as an example. 13 as an example. Now just check here. Just let's do the square of each digit in the 13. So square of 1 means what? 1 into 1. Again we have to add plus. Then again 3 is there, right? 3 into 3. 3 into 3 means what? It is a square. Yeah. Now 1 into 1, how much it is? 1 plus 3 into 3 is 9. So total how much we are getting? 10 we are getting. Yes. Now we got 10. Good. Now what we need to do is again we have two digits. So this is 10. Here I'm taking it as a 10. 10. Now here again we need to do square and then we have to add square of the individual digits. So 1 into 1 plus square means 0 into 0. Okay. Now what I will be getting here, the answer is 1 into 1. It is 1 of obviously plus this is 0. So total it is how much? Total we are getting 1. So by seeing this we got one idea that resultant, which resultant, whenever we are doing a, it is a sum of the squares of individual digits. Okay. Yes. So by this we can define our definition. We can give a definition for the happy number. Happy number. Happy number. What is this happy number? The sum the square, sum of the squares of the digits should be equal to 1, should be equal to 1. Okay, so this is one example we have seen. Let's see another one example so that it will be clear for us. Now we'll see what 97. Yes, somewhat bigger number we are taking 97. So 97 means what? 9 square. 9 into 9 plus 7 square. 7 into 7. Yes, this. Now what we'll be getting? Let's see here. 9 into 9, 81 plus 7 7 ja 49. Now we need to add them. So what we will be getting? 1 plus 9. How much? 0, 1. 1 plus 9. 4 plus 8. 12, 1, 13. So how much I'm getting? 1 3. Yes. 130. 130 I got. Now, what I need to do here? 130. For this, again, individual numbers I need to take here. Squares of individual number 1 into 1 plus 3 into 3 plus 0 into 0. 0 into 0. So, let's see what we are going to get here. 1 into 1, how much? It is 1 plus 3 into 3, how much? 9 plus 0 into 0, it is already 0. So total we are getting after the sum, we are getting how much? 1 plus 9, it is 10. So again we got 10, and already we know that 10 is resulting, 10 is giving me the sum. Square of the sum is square of each and digit, and then we are making a sum. So 1 square is 1 and 0 square is 0. So plus 0, it is always plus 0. 0, then it is, we are getting what? 1. So we can say that 10, we can say that 130, this 97. So by this, hence we proved that 97 is a happy number. Okay, so in this is what the logic it is. Now this we have to write a logic for this in the programming language. In the code we have to write. So I guess you all understood. These are the examples I have given. Now we need to check whether these numbers are happy number or not in a programmatical way. We'll check one more. 7. 7 is a single digit. Now for this, what I need to do? I need to do square. 7 square is 49. 49. Then 49 means what? Again, what I need to do? 4 square. 4 into 4 plus 9 into 9. Yes. Now what I will be getting here? 4 into 4, 4 4 yeah 16 plus 9 into 9 means what? 81. 81. So how much I will be getting here? 6 plus 1, it is 7. And then here 8 plus 1, 9. So what I got? 97. So when I got 97, already I have done for the 97 here. So hence we can say that it is happy number. So guys, this part is done. Okay. Now how we are going to solve this in a programmatical way? Like happy number or not happy number, two things we need to find out, right? So conditional statements, if else we have to do. Again, how many times of iterations? It means what? Loop will be running. We are going to use loop concept. Again, we need to stop at that particular point, right? If the condition is correct, then we have to use break also. Yes. So all these things we are going to use in our, yes, in our program. So now before that, let's understand. So the prerequisites, like before solving this, you should have the idea of while loop. So basically loops idea you should have, how it is working of it, loops. while loop. Yes, and you should have an idea of if conditions. You should also have the idea of break statements, nested loop. Okay, so if you have idea, then it will be easy for you to understand. Even if you don't have the idea, I will be explaining you each and every step of this program. So now let's get back here in my this is my PyCharm. In this, what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to create a new file, Python file, and I'm just giving a name, happy number. Okay, happy number. And yes, now this is my total. This is the interpreter. Python we can execute here. Like for example, I'm just running this code, just simply hi or happy Ramnavami. Happy Ramnavami. Now I'm going to execute this. Now whether it is working or not, yes, it is perfectly working. See here. Now let's code here. What we need to do here is, yes, first I need to take a num is equal to, I need to ask the user to enter the number. So for that, what I need to do, input of. So here I'm taking a string, enter a number. This is for a user. This on the output it will be shown like enter a number. Yes. Now after this, if he have to enter the number, right, not a string, but input takes string. So what I'm doing here, typecasting int of, and done. This is done, guys. So here first line, I hope you all understood the first line here. Now in the second line, what I need to do is number of iterations, how many number of iterations I need to do. For that I'm taking one variable, iterations starting it is 0. I'm taking iterations what starting as 0. So iteration is what my variable, and the value I'm giving is 0. Now here I'm taking loop, and how many iterations I'm going to check, I'm just going to check like less than 100. Okay, so iterations, right, spelling is wrong here. Iterations less than 100. Okay, and this is a syntax like colon we have to give. And after this, what I need to do here is I need to take, guys, we're going to use our nested loop. So this is just a variable here, variable, yeah. And this is the condition I'm giving. Yes, this is my condition up to iterations. Like for example, if you have seen here, see, this is one iteration. Again, this is another one iterations. Yes, so like how many iterations we got? This 130 for 97. Yeah, so those are the iterations. Yeah, after this, what I need to do here is I need to take one more variable, because what I need to do, I need to do sum. For the sum, I need to take another variable, like in the variable name is total. I can keep, you can keep any variable name. So I'm keeping as total, and this is also 0 starting. So it is just like, if you know while loop, we are just calculating the total number. Okay, so total is equal to what? It is 0. When it is 0, then what I'm taking here, I'm taking another while loop. So this is what exactly the meaning here is. See, I can explain you here in this part. Let me execute this one. So if you don't know how to use while, for that I'm explaining you this about while. See, while uh, I is equal to 0, and while 0 is I is less than, three things are there, guys, importantly in working with the loops, like while loop especially. One is initialization. Important thing, it is initialization, condition checking. Yeah, so now what happens here, from 0 it is going, and then I'm taking what? Total is equal to 0. Now here what happens is I'm taking total. Total is equal to total plus I. Yes. And then we are printing. Yeah. Now what is happening here is, now what I need to do, I need to find out the total, like from 1 to 10. What is the sum of this? Sum. I'm going to find out the sum. And then I will be printing the exact number of this. Yeah. Total value. So what I need to do here is, this is my initialization. Initialization. This is my condition checking. This is condition checking. Condition checking. Yeah. And after this, here we are performing the total, and then here control flow. Like I need to make this condition wrong also, right? I need to update the I value, otherwise the loop will be going into infinite. So what I will do here is, I is equal to I plus 1. This we can say control flow, or we can updating the value. Okay, I value. Now after this, I'm just print. What I'm printing? I'm printing the total. TOTL total. Now let's see what is the output we are going to get. Mm, How much I got? 45. Yes, 45. 45 is the correct answer, because the condition is less than. If I'm giving equal to, means 1, 3 here. Now what I will get? I'm getting 55. So is it correct? So how we are getting here? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. So this total is how much? Total is 55. Yes, I got 55. Why I am explaining this? This is the logic where we are going to use for sum also. Square sum. Sum of squares we are going to do that. Okay. So this is just to explain. Let's go back to our main program here. So I'm taking here while total. Now here while num. What I'm doing here is, num should be always what? Greater than 0. Then in this, what I need to do? I need to separate. So what here I'm going to do here is separate. What I'm going to separate the digits. Now for example, I have here 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I need to separate the digits, right? How I can separate the digits? Like for example, percentile 10. If I'm writing like this, reminder, then I can separate it 4. 4 got separated, yes. So again, this becomes what? 1, 2, 3. If it is 1 to 3, if I'm doing percentile 10, it means what? 3 is getting reminder, like 3. Yeah. Yes. So we are going to separate the digits in order to square. In order to square and sum, what we are doing? We are separating the digits. So how to do that? Let's see. So I'm giving one variable, that is separate. Separate is equal to, how I'm going to separate? Num percentile 10. So it is going to separate. Now after separating, what I need to do? I need to make a square. Yes, sum of the square. So total is equal to total plus total plus. Now here what I need to do? I need to take this separate whatever the number I have separated, that square. So square, how we can write in the Python program? Double star 2 means it is square. We can exponential operator, this is okay. Now after this, total is equal to total plus separate. This is done. Now I need to end this loop, right? How to end this loop? We can update the value, or else if I have 1, 2, 3, so up to 3 I have done. So now this I need to remove. Up to 2 I have done. This I have to remove. This I have to remove. So this removal, for that also we need to write one logic. So what is that logic for that? Is num is equal to num forward slash, yes, floor division, we say that. So this is by 10. So whenever I'm doing division, by 10, what will be the, what I will be getting? 1 2 3 4. If I am doing 4 division by 10, what it will be? Yes. Or for example, if I'm taking 10, so it will be like, if I'm dividing it, 1.2 I will get. So in order to avoid that point also, we are taking this, only 1 will be the answer. Yes, it was earlier 2, now it is 1. So we are reducing. Yeah, that's what. So it means we are making the condition here. This is going to reduce the numbers, so that this condition may become, in future it will be false. To make this update, we are updating the value of num. If we don't update the value, then again it will be falling under infinite. Now once we are done with this, now what we have to do is, we need to take a num. Inside the num, what I need to store, whatever the total number I got. From this I got some total number, right? So total I'm storing in that. Yes, up to here it is done. Now what I need to do, I need to also end this loop. How to end this loop? I need to update the value. Let's see. Iterations is equal to iterations plus 1. So always I need to keep on updating this. Okay, so up to here it is done. Clear. Now here what I need to do is, I need to apply the conditions. If in this, if total is equal to 1, finally we are checking, right? Resultant, if it is 1, then only we can say that it is my happy number. And here print happy number. Yes, and once it is happy number, because it is in the loop, so what we need to use? Break. If we don't use the break, it will be repeating multiple number of times. Yes, so this is done. Yeah, see here, up to here each and every line I have explained you. Now what I need to do, I need to also use what? Else part. If this is not true, then what I need to do, there is one concept that is called, we can use else, while and else here and here. If the condition is not true, then what I'm using here? Print not happy number. Okay, so this is my total code, guys. Now let's see what is the exactly output we are getting or not. So I just saved it and I need to run it. Here we have an option to run this. Now I'm entering here something 13. Wow, I got a output here. See here, the output is happy number. Yes, so 13 is already a happy number we discussed. Now 97, 97. Yes, 97 is a happy number. Good. Now 7, if 7 is a happy number, yes, 7 is also a happy number. Now let me check whether 4 is happy number or not. 4 is not happy number. Yes, because it is going to be in a loop. Now let me check here. Now I will check something like 88. It is not a happy number. Yes, so we have successfully done with the code. I guess you understood this problem. So guys, that's it for this lecture, this session. Yes, just a second. Hmm. So we are done with this. Now guys, before leaving, I just have a question for you all. So the question is, I want you to to try a problem in which you have to write a code to print the range of happy number, and you can comment this code. Comment. Yeah, this is your question for the day. Okay, so this is the question. Yeah, now once this is done, now guys, I wanted you all, if you really like, if you really understood, then please do these things. You can like, share, If you have not subscribed, you can subscribe, because these things gives what motivation for me to make a problem solving or make a videos and upload it on the channel. So your support really motivates. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this. Thank you. Bye bye guys.